Open the court.
All persons having business before this Honourable Court are commanded to give their attendance and they shall be heard. God save the Queen. Be seated, please.
Applications for the admission of lawyers. Miss Evelyn Louise Young.
If the Court pleases, I appear to move that Evelyn Louise Young be admitted to the legal profession as an Australian lawyer and as an officer of this Honourable Court, and I so move on the certificate and recommendation of the Board of Examiners.
Is Miss Young in court?
Ladies and gentlemen being sworn, as your names are called, please stand and remain standing. Ms. Agi Vlahos, Miss Evelyn Louise Young. I now ask you to take the oath of office. Please hold the Bible in your uplifted right hand. You and each of you swear by Almighty God that you will well and honestly conduct yourselves in the practice of your profession as members of the legal profession and as officers of this Honourable Court to the best of your knowledge and ability. Beginning with you, Madam, please repeat in turn. I swear by Almighty God to do so. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please replace the Bibles and resume your seats.
Each applicant will be admitted as an Australian lawyer and as an officer of the Supreme Court of Victoria on signing the roll, which will occur immediately after the sitting of the court. The fact this is a sitting of the court is something to be emphasised. It is quite different from, say, a university graduation ceremony. The applicants have not graduated with the conferral of a degree. Quite differently, they have been admitted to one of our society's most important and fundamental professions. With a degree, an individual may go part way to qualifying to work in a specialist field, such as teaching and medicine. Alternatively, a degree may open the door to employment in other fields, such as engineering or marketing. By dramatic contrast, the applicants, now Australian lawyers, will apply and defend the rule of law. I now speak directly to the new lawyers. What does all this mean to you, for you? It means you owe a paramount duty to the court, a duty that rises above all other duties a lawyer owes. In practice, if prosecuting, you put the case fairly and honestly and in accordance with the law. You, as prosecutor, must assist the court. If defending, you must put the prosecution to its formal proofs. In our system, a person is innocent until proved guilty beyond reasonable doubt by the prosecution. But in defending an accused, you must put your instructions and provide the best defence of which you are capable. If acting for a plaintiff, you must put your case to the court and prove it at law. If acting for the defendant, you must put the plaintiff to its proofs, put your case as instructed and prove it again at law. A duty that applies to all lawyers, whether involved in criminal or civil business, is not to waste court time. To jettison the irrelevant and focus on what is relevant and admissible at law, and, importantly, not to waste clients' money by overworking or dragging cases out. You have each been admitted as an Australian lawyer here in Victoria. In this state, we have a proud tradition of strong, focused, excellent lawyers. Welcome to the legal profession. You also come from one of the country's oldest courts. Last month marked the 170th anniversary of the first sitting of the Supreme Court here in Melbourne. It was just over the way in a modest building on the southwest corner of King and Collins Street in April 1841. The court was presided over by Mr. Justice Willis. To return to the present, the court today conveys its congratulations to each new Australian lawyer and officer of the court. That is what you now are. The court also congratulates all the family, friends and principals who have brought each new lawyer to this juncture in their careers. Your presence this morning adds to the joy and awe of the moment. The court will now adjourn sine die.
All stand, please. This Honourable Court stands adjourned sine die. God save the Queen.
New lawyers, please take your seats. You will be directed shortly to sign the roll. Counsel and guests, thank you for your attendance. Please exit the courtroom and proceed to William Street, where the new lawyers will be exiting shortly. Thank you.